Good day, everyone. Learn how to enable dark mode in WhatsApp in any phone. So open your WhatsApp, and at the top right corner where you see your battery percentage, just below that we have the three dots. We need to click on that, and then we need to go to settings. Now, in settings, we need to go to this chats, theme wallpapers, chat history. So we will click on that. And the very first option under display, we have this theme, and we will click on that, and there we will select the dark and click on OK. So in this manner, you have changed the dark theme in your Android phone. Alright, so this is how you can enable dark theme, dark mode in WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.